客家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hello there, I'm Joseph Lin, and here comes another Hakka song on ICRT by Chiu Shu Chan, who, after graduating from college, this change and uncertainty in life made her felt a little lost, and so she wrote this song, Hang, or On the Way, to tell listeners that it's okay to feel confused sometimes, and what matters most is finding a goal to guide you in life.
記得每個快樂嘅時間，幫我嘅近，幫我交織嘅世界，愛上愛變化，讀到很多嘅恨，愛上變化，很想記得。
歌手邱淑蟬的音乐之路呢，是从大学时期就开始哦。那他毕业后呢，身份上的转变让他有点感到混乱，于是就创作了这首《行》。而邱淑蟬呢，透过这首歌要告诉听众，迷惘只是一时的，只要找到目标，就能够继续行走在人生的道路上。That does it for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.